Hello everyone, welcome to Nation Innovation. This is the third tutorial and here we'll learn how to program the NodeMCU and blink an LED. The NodeMCU can be programmed using Arduino IDE and this is the Arduino code for the blink example, which sets the pin DO as output and the LED connected to this pin will go high and low every second. Here 1000 denotes 1000 millisecond or 1 second. So there's a delay of 1 second. Now let's move ahead with the setup of Arduino IDE for NodeMCU. Go to File, Preferences. In the Additional Boards Manager, you have to enter this URL and click OK. Now go to Tools, Boards Manager. Here you have to type ESP8266 and install this module. In my computer it is already installed, so we'll move ahead. Go to Tools, Board, ESP Boards and then NodeMCU ESP12E module. So this is the circuit diagram. The anode is connected to the pin DO. So this is the circuit diagram. Anode is connected to the pin DO and the cathode is connected to ground. After setting up the circuit, we'll verify this code. You'll get to know that the compilation is done from here. It shows done compiling. Now we'll upload the sketch. We'll install this code in the NodeMCU and it's done uploading. So this is the hardware. Anode is connected to D0 and the cathode is connected to ground, and this is the LED turning on and off at the intervals of 1 second.